Welcome to this short clip of Cruising Coastie. In today's clip, we trudge through the record-setting blizzard snow to dig out the boat again. Snow removal 2.0. What story?
The story of the snowy day.
I don't know that one.
The little boy takes a stick and drags it through and makes marks in the book.
Oh.
That's what I'm doing with myself.
Okay. We are on the way to the boat to try to clean the snow off the canvas because of the last time it was all stretched and sagging, and I don't want that to happen again. And this has obviously not been plowed, and what I'm hoping for is that the wind was so strong that it didn't stay on the canvas, it just blew off, but it's not looking that way because some of these have snow.
He really knows how to show a woman a good swimmer.
Yeah, baby. Are you okay?
Oh my god, I can't do it.
Well, we've made it to the boat, but Lisa's having a hard time getting up in here. And all of that guy's snow slid off under my swim platform. And that guy's canvas is collapsed.
I did it.
All right. And we're in the boat, and it's pretty snowy. But the good news is I think the canvas is actually clear. So I'll make another video in a second. Okay, well, it's like last time. It's up the windshield and it's sagging pretty good, so I'm gonna have to go out the side windows and the front and get this off. It's about as bad as it was last time, maybe a little less. Okay, we're back at it on the front now. Top's cleared off. We're working on the bow, and it's pretty deep. So.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I know. Careful on that glass.
I'm careful.
Okay.
Tell me to be careful.
She's gonna whack me with that thing in a minute.
I won't do it on camera though.
No evidence?
Nope.
Okay. I need to get back to digging. All right, we have finished. I gotta come back and get the ice out of the corners one of these days. So the drains are open in both corners, so that one was open, somebody covered it.
Did not.
But we're all set. Right down there, if you're gonna dig it out. Right there under the cleat. Here, give me that thing. Hold that.
She knows it all.
What?
Oh.
What'd you say?
YouTube video on how to clean out the cleat. Nope, the drain. Sorry, wrong thing.
There we go. Both drains are open, which is good. All right, you jumping off?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
No, my boots are stuck.
Ah.
Oh no.
All right, I'll be down in a minute to help you. Exit stage right.
Little green man. Now he's stuck.
Yep, now I'm stuck.
All right, well, guess what? He's on his own. I got the keys. We got our workout today.
Oh my God.
Go the other way. I could help him, but this is more fun. There he is.
King of the mountain. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.